Excuse me, ma'am? If I can teach you how to memorize 10 of the amendments to the Constitution really fast, I'll give you $50.
Okay.
So we're going to use a technique known as the Mind Palace. Pick a room in your house, any room, doesn't matter. Imagine you walk in that room and you're standing in the doorway and you look to your immediate left. What's the first big piece of furniture right there?
My wall.
Your wall, okay. Now we're going to go around the room clockwise.
Okay.
Number 1's the wall. 2, we're going to pick 5. What could 2 be?
Chair.
Chair. Wall, chair. Number 3?
Bed.
Bed. 4?
Nightstand.
5.
Blanket ladder.
Okay, so let's say all 5 of those.
Wall, chair, bed, nightstand, blanket ladder.
A lot of people already know the first 10 amendments, but most people don't know 11 through 20. Number 11, the wall. The states are protected from certain kinds of lawsuits. So I want you to see on your wall, there's a painting of somebody from Texas, and they got a shield because people are throwing lawsuits at them, but they're protected from lawsuit. Visualize that for a second. If people have trouble with this, what they tend to do is they tend to not take 3 or 4 seconds to visualize it. Now say what that amendment is, 11.
11 is the state's right to protect against lawsuits.
Now go to the next piece of furniture. I want you to see on the chair, the president is sitting in the chair, and behind him is the vice president. This is because the president and vice president, according to Amendment 12, are elected separate ballots. So what's 12?
12 is the president and vice president as elected separate ballots.
Number 13, I want you to see a bunch of people in chains, and the chains break off. This was abolish slavery. What's 11, 12, and 13?
11 is the state's right to protect themselves against lawsuits. 12 is president and vice president getting elected on separate ballots. 13 is the abolishment of slavery.
Number 14, what is it?
Nightstand.
I want you to see you're sitting on it because
Okay.
14 grants citizenship. So what's 14?
14 is citizenship.
Number 15, I want you to imagine a bunch of people in line to vote, and they're of all different races, because Amendment 15 says you can vote regardless of race. So you got that?
Yes.
You're halfway there. Say 11 through 15.
Okay, so 11 is the state's right to protect themselves against civil lawsuits. 12 is the president and vice president being elected as separate entities on a ballot. 13 is abolishment of slavery. 14 is your right to become a citizen.
Yeah, that's right. And so 15?
15 is the right to vote regardless of race.
So now, what's the next room next to that room?
The bathroom.
So you're standing in the doorway of the bathroom. You look to your immediate left. What's the first big piece of furniture?
Cupboard.
Cupboard. The next one?
The sink.
The next one?
The toilet.
The next one?
Towel rack.
And the last one.
Shower.
Now say all 5 of those.
Cupboard, sink, toilet, towel rack, shower.
So on number 16, I want you to imagine you got an axe and you're tearing that piece of furniture up because you're so upset about the income tax. An axe for tax. So this one established the federal income tax. Number 17, this was the direct election of senators. So let's think of the word senators. What does that sound like?
Sink.
Sink. And well, okay, and number 17 is sink. So I want you to just imagine the senators going down the sink, the direct election of senators.
The direct election of senators is sink.
Number 18, I want you to imagine a bunch of alcohol and you're pouring it down the toilet because this prohibition. So say 16, 17, and 18.
Okay, 16 is income tax. 17 is how we elect senators. 18 is the prohibition.
19, towel rack. Women get the right to vote. Last one, number 20. Maybe we can imagine the president and just imagine there's snow blowing because it's really cold. It's January. Inauguration moved to January. And remember the 20th because it's the 20th piece of furniture, right? So what's
perfect.
20?
Inauguration day.
So let's say 11 through 20 and you get
Okay.
$50.
Woo, okay. 11 is the state's right to protect themselves against civil lawsuits, the separation of the president and vice president of election. 13, abolishment of slavery. 14, granting citizenship. 15, how we do not discriminate against race during voting. 16, axing income tax. 17, how the states elect a senator. 18, prohibition. 19, women granting the rights to vote. And 20, the president becoming president on January 20th.
Booyah, baby! All right. Okay, so you get $50.
Thank you.
And you just memorized the amendments 11 through 20. Okay? Very
That's great.
good. What's your name?
Laurel.
Laurel. Great to meet you, Laurel.
Nice
and
to
here's
meet
your
you.
$50.
Thank you so much.